we're gonna take a look at Sombrero, which is just a two-handed cross-grip version of Vacila. So if we know how to do Vacila, we'll be able to learn this turn, no problem. So let's review Vacila. We're gonna give her a traveling turn over her right shoulder. She's gonna start off on my left side and end up over my right. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the other angle, we've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One thing to keep in mind for when we're doing two-handed versions of turns is that the shape of the turn is gonna stay all the same. Very tempting when they add in a second arm for the leads, forget about their feet and just worry about what their arms are doing, but we're leading the turn not just with our arms, but with our movement as well. If we look at Vacila, we're giving her this half circle path and a traveling turn in that path, and we wanna make sure that we keep the same thing going on when we add in the second hand. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If we take a look at how we set up Vacila, so we're going from guapé, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I've got my tension, and all I need to do to change it into sombrero is switch the grip right to right. In a perfect world, I can get my left hand on her shoulder. We got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and I switch the grip. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The next thing that we do in Vacila is give her the traveling turn. So all I'm gonna do to change it for sombrero is look for that free hand underneath with my left hand. 1, 2, 3. And I can use the left hand to help her complete the turn and face my right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, switch the hand. 1, 2, 3. The rest of this movement is going to be taking her towards my right shoulder. So I want to bring the arms from being up to down, tabletop height, and then leaving the hands and the wrists together. I'm going to guide her to my right shoulder on 5, 6, 7. And we're going to make hats. If you do this over and over again, it allows you to get a feel for the end of the turn and not do this beautiful casino movement and then get messed up with the hands at the end. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, switch the hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. To finish the turn from here, I'm just gonna let go and then give her Dile Que No. When the lead lets go of the hand, some fouls will take this arm and bring it up and over on your shoulder, and that's totally fine if they do that. It's fine if they don't do it. And it just makes the Dile Que No feel more normal. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, switch the hand. 1, look for the hand underneath. 3, finish the turn, and then down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, switch the hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Once you've learned sombrero as a standalone turn, you can use it to acquire lengthier combos like montaña, doce, and about 10 billion more, many of which will be broken down in this intermediate casino playlist. And for fancy turns and a whole lot more, my upcoming course, Casino Next Steps, is available for pre-order, and the first 100 people can get it for just 50 bucks. If you still need some basics like vacilala that we used to learn this turn, those are covered in Casino Fundamentals or this beginner playlist right here.